Azus Premier kedai kata kerukum terekam hakaba umdan sperm dan neduna sperm hapa ke semen sampel jangfi berkenai kolong pen kelumari kisilok. Ngilati kena bangidan kejengkermen nak kebenta jong ke pregnancy Henry kerukum terekam jong ke tesa testicular sperm extraction ngila ban extra ke semen nak ke testis jangfi bang injek yaka hak sembai jong ke female partner berki teknologi jong ke intracytoplasmic injection bangin yo result ke babiang.
Konrad kongkal sangma uli itu bahag jingïapynbeit bani penbeit puat akawat kebaar hapadang kejela Meghalaya Assam kan long umnai Risaw mentak kesenam arajar arpusau nagabentak hinril teli kijaka kibadang sa. Uli itu bulai dap yakran bat menteri rangba kejela Assam himanta beswa sorma hak jingïapynbeit kebadang syen. Bakla syeme karai ban penlong biang ya jingïapynbeit bani karan penbeit uput usam umnai Risaw. Konrad kongkal sangma ulang bah kajang penbeit uput usama kawat kebaar kan long kebajuat bah. Mereka sorkar kan pikir hak bedai bakatan langpi siar kanduli blok 1 blok 2 nomor kajang dan yaki kendrum kendram.
We have discussed all the matters and we have both decided that at the earliest I expect that maybe in the month of October we should be able to have this next round. Things are complex, as I said, because these are very, very sensitive areas. So we will see how we will move forward. But we have decided that at that time we mentioned that within 2 months we will try to meet. So I expect that maybe in the month of October we should be able to meet, but I'll give the exact time and date to all of you. Two things. Number one, Assam CM and myself have decided on a verbal conversation that we will be putting up a small joint committee where officials from both the states will be there and we'll look into all the aspects of the different concerns that have been raised by Assam and others. And in that we will take up the other matters also. Both the chief secretaries are in touch to formalize the formation of this committee where, as I said, officials from both the states will be there. And all these concerns will be taken up and we are hopeful that we'll be able to resolve most of the issues there.
By when is it likely?
Well, we received, after my discussion, we have received official communication in the last, I think, about 3-4 days' time, at the beginning of this week or last week, I can't remember. And we're hopeful that maybe within a week's time, this committee should be out. So therefore, we are being sensitive and careful as we move forward. Locations like Langpi, locations like PCR, Kanduli, Block 1, Block 2, we understand that there are a lot of complications. So it's not as simple as the first one. And therefore, though our desire and our intention is as firm as before, but because of the sensitivity of the situation and locations, we really want to be careful as we move forward so that we are able to resolve it in the proper ways and in a way in which we are able to create the right consensus.